अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 34. Find the distance between the point whose coordinates are 0, 0 and second point whose coordinates are 36, 15. Let's start. As you can see in the diagram, there are 2 points A and B. A coordinates are 0, 0, B coordinates are 36, 15. So we can easily calculate distance between them by using the distance formula. So AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Let's say x1 and y1 are the coordinates of A point, x2 and y2 are the coordinates of B point. You can take otherwise also. So substitute the value. X2 is 36, x1 is 0, y2 is 15, y1 is 0. So 36 minus 0 is 36. So 36 square is 1296. 15 minus 0 is again 15. So 15 square is 225. So if you add them, you will get 1521. And if you take square root of that, you will get 39. So distance between the 2 points is 39 units.